Welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Snapchat on both Android and iPhone for 2025. First, open your Snapchat app. Tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. From there, go to Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the option called App Appearance and tap on it. Here, you'll see three options: Always Light, Always Dark, Match System. To enable dark mode, simply select Always Dark. Snapchat may ask you to restart the app, so just tap Restart and dark mode will be applied instantly. If you ever want to switch back, you can choose Always Light for the regular mode or Match System to follow your phone's default theme. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn dark mode on or off in Snapchat for Android and iPhone. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button. For more quick guides, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.